So hello friends, this is Aditya and today I am explaining the how to import data in SQL Server. So let's start the video. I am open my SQL Server application. So I am type here SQL. So here SQL Management Studio 21 app. I click here to open. So my SQL Server is open. So this first view of SQL Server is connect to server. Our server name is our default because our laptop name is as our server name. So here we say connect. So this is SQL Server created my uh, database system. So here is you can click on database, and here I am created other data created or database and click here to right click on database, say task say task, and then import flat file. Then SQL Server import flat file, say next. Here browse. So my file in the download, I downloaded the superstore dataset. So I will open it. I will select and open. So SQL Server importing the data. So here is all the location file to be imported. Here is the location of my file. Here is the name of my file. So I will change the name because firstly I created with this table name. I changed table name with 34. I add the 34 because I created the table and apply the aggregate function. So I will say next. So here is my data set preview of my data. So you will see it by scrolling. Here is a scroll and see all the data. Say next. So here is remove all the nulls. So I will remove all the nulls and say next. So here is a finish, click on a finish. So importing data, so close it. So here in my database I will see you the importing file. I tables. So here DBO superstore 34, here is my importing data. So you will see it my data. So you can import like this on our Excel file or our CSV file in the SQL Server. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.